Okay, this example is about nested control statements. Basically, the college offer course that prepares students for the state licensing exam. Then students take the exam. Then we have to write a program to say out of the 10 students, student who has number 1 means pass the exam. If number 2, that's student fail the exam. So let's start with two measurements. One student pass the exam or who fail the exams. So we'll start with pass. So with initial value 0, fails 0. So it's a nested control statement. So let's start with the 4. Okay, I will say student in range of 10 students. Okay, before I continue, I'd like to say that's end of for loop. Okay, if we go down here, we're going to get the result from keyboard input based on 1 or 2. So in integer value input, say enter result 1 for pass, 2 for fail. Okay. Okay, to parentheses. So this is the control statement nested. There will be a condition if student pass the exam. Okay, if result equal to 1 means pass. So sorry, colon pass. I will say pass plus 1, or if you remember, augmented operator. Then we can say else. Forgot colon. Failed plus equal 1. So that's the end of for loop. We like to print. Okay. Print number pass. Okay, pass. Print. We like to say fail. Okay, making sure we enter 10 students grade. Let's see. Okay, here you go. I will say 1, 2, 1, 2, and 2, 1, and 1, 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we finished the 10 inputs. Ranges up to 10. So 10 input, we counted 6 passes. Okay, 1 is 4 pass. So we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when we evaluate if statement, if is equal to 1, okay, because the input, okay, is saved to results result. The result is equal to 1. Then we are adding 1 to pass, start from 0. Otherwise, we are adding 1 to fail. So there are 2, 2, 2, and 2, and 4 of them. That's why it's a 4, okay? This kind of simple programs, we are using nested control statement, okay, with this in for loop. Okay, here we have if-else conditions. Okay, so if it's condition true, this is what we like to do. If the condition is not true, this is what we like to do. That's all. Thank you.